So whenever these type of questions are given in the examination, students generally go for the longer approach. They make it the perfect square and then they integrate. But what if I tell you I have the standard formula for these type of integration? See, whenever you have to integrate a quadratic, it is in the form of dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now in this type of quadratic, you have to first check the discriminant, which is positive, which is negative. If the discriminant is positive, so the value of this standard integral, assuming I, this will be 1 upon root of discriminant ln mod x minus alpha upon x minus beta plus c. Here alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic. Okay, for discriminant greater than 0. If discriminant is negative, means imaginary roots are there. Discriminant less than 0, imaginary roots. So the value of this standard integral will be 2 upon root discriminant tan inverse 2ax plus b upon root of minus d plus c. Just memorize these two results and your answers would be there in seconds. Let me give an example. These two integrals, okay, you can do it in seconds. See, for the first one, if you see here, discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, if you take out the roots of these two equations, so alpha is coming out to be 2 and beta is coming out to be 3. Clear? Now, if you do here the integration, so okay, so integration will be what? Just apply the first formula. Here discriminant value is 1. You can calculate it out. So it would be what? Ln mod x minus 2 upon x minus 3 plus c. This is the value of the first integral. See, in seconds you have solved this. For the second one, if you see here, for the second one, the discriminant is less than 0. And the value of discriminant here is coming out to be 4 iota. Just calculate it simple. So the integration value would be 2 upon root of 4 iota tan inverse 2a is 1, so 2x plus b is 2 upon root of minus 4 iota plus c. This is the value for the second integration. See, in seconds we have done this. Okay, for most of short tricks, subscribe to my channel Study with Ishant. Good luck.